Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to XAMPP and show you what it can do. Let's check it out. XAMPP is an open source software package that works as a local server for running web application offline. The name XAMPP is an acronym for the components inside it. X for cross-platform, Apache, MySQL or MariaDB, PHP, and Perl. I will explain it one by one. Cross-platform means that XAMPP can run on various operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Apache is a web server used to deliver website pages on an offline device. MySQL or MariaDB is a database management system used to store and manage data. PHP is a server-side scripting language used to create dynamic web pages. Perl is another server-side scripting language that XAMPP also supports. XAMPP is developed by the Apache Friends team, an open-source project founded in 2002. The team consists of core team, development team, and support team. They create XAMPP to make it easier for developers to install and run a local web server quickly and for free. XAMPP is available for free under the general public license. XAMPP has several main functions. Acts as a local server on your computer, allowing you to develop and test web applications without an internet connection. Simplifies development. XAMPP provides all integrated software stack, so you don't need to install PHP, MySQL, and other software separately. Database management. XAMPP comes with PHPMyAdmin, making it easy to manage your database locally. Application testing. XAMPP allows developers to thoroughly test their websites before uploading them to a live server, so issues can be detected and fixed early. In short, XAMPP is designed to make it easier for developers to build and test dynamic websites on their computers before publishing them online. To download XAMPP, you can go straight to the official website. So, are you interested in trying XAMPP? If you want to learn how to install it, I've included the link at the end of this video. Hope you find it helpful.